Little Woody the Miser. Check him out. Look how he carrying it, man. You know, this guy's wearing red like he really drips. This guy has a whole demeanor like he's supposed to be a gangster. And I'm going to say this to the guys that's in the streets, that's, still in the mix, trying to get out, maybe in between music and stuff like that. Stay away from these type of guys, because these type of guys are the individuals that's waiting for you to blow and want to be a part of it. And they got a jealousy in their heart. And they're going to remember every negative thing that you done prior to you getting on. Now, we all know Young Thug and the rest of them guys, they're no angels. But the things they done over 7 years and things that's in their past, this guy's using it. And I don't believe they killed a soul. I believe if he knows so much about these killings, then maybe he done it. Because that's what happens. When these rats get up and get a part of something, they take the things that they do, and if it sounds correct to the government, guess what? They're going to believe it, and they're going to cuff and stuff you. See, John Gotti said something one time. He said, I blame Musk for letting Sammy a part of this. Well, guess what? Sometimes you got to look into a guy's character. And I can see just along the lines of how this guy has his arms folded that he never was of honor. He just was along for the ride. And youngins and older guys and whoever else that's a part of the streets, when you get a guy like this that just acts and just wants to know and never performs in anything that has to do with the street activity. Because I could look at Lil Woody. He ain't done nothing. He probably tried to sell a couple drugs or something like that. But I believe that they never let him in. I believe that the things they done in the streets, like way before they became rappers, this guy probably was one of them guys that just, wanted a little work to make a couple dollars or, trying to be cool. And as it goes on, man, these guys turn into haters. He's jealous, a jealous rat. And, I got to say this to everybody. The only way you're going to get caught up if you allow one of these guys who never done nothing to be a part of what you got going on, man. That's the only way.